as you know, we are all stuck at home, so we're going to have a lot of home cooked food. So first off, we're going to put in the oil. Just going to make sure that the pan is a little bit hot. I've just turned it on at medium heat. Just give it a while. Okay, it's hot enough. I'm just going to add some oil. Okay, give it a quick roll. Right. Just wait for the oil to heat up a little bit. The first item that will go in is the onions. So I'm just gonna saute this until it's wilted, nice and soft and aromatic. So it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, and now we're gonna put in the patola. Okay. And we'll add in the water. So you want to get a really nice green color. That's when you know that it's starting to cook. Just let it sit in there for a while. One quick stir. So we're going to add in a little bit of oyster sauce. Give it that nice yummy taste. And this is my mother-in-law's secret recipe. She always likes to add a little bit of sesame oil, very little. That's it. Give it a stir. So you can see the green is getting brighter. Means it's almost done. That's when you add the eggs in. Okay, just give it a quick stir. Make sure the sauce is evenly distributed before we add in the eggs. Okay. Okay, I'll add in the eggs now. And just give it a quick stir. As long as the egg is cooked through, we are done. So I've just increased the heat a little bit. Okay. So we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. See ya!